In this video, we're focusing on the quotient rule. So the quotient rule is used for differentiating a fraction. So for example, if we had y equals u over v, we then can use the formula dy over dx equals, on the top, the numerator, v times du over dx minus u times dv over dx, and that is all over v squared. Now, it is important with the quotient rule that you do use it in the correct order. V comes first, then u. The reason for that is because of the minus there. If you swapped it, it would not be the same. So it is very important that you have v first minus u. So we're going to do an example here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write y equal u over v. So my u is going to equal 5x plus 4 and v equals x plus 3. We then can differentiate it. So du over dx equals 5 and dv over dx equals 1. So we're now going to use the formula. So we dy over dx equals v times, that's not a times symbol, times du over dx minus u times dv over dx, and that's all over v squared. Okay, so we're going to substitute these in. So v was x plus 3. We're going to times it by du over dx, which was 5. Now we've got our 5x plus 4. I'm going to times that by our dv over dx, which was 1. And now this is all going to be over, I could do a straight line, over, I don't like that, over v squared, which was x plus 3 squared. All right, so what we end up with, if we want, we can expand all these. It's not necessary, but in this case, it's fairly simple to do. Sometimes you'll have massive powers where it's probably not logical to do it. So in this case, we end up with 5x plus 15 minus 5x minus 4 all over x plus 3 squared. So down here, the 5x cancels out that 5x. So 15 take away 4 over x plus 3 squared. All right. So again, with the quotient rule, the most important thing to remember is that it needs to be in this order. It needs to be v times du over dx minus u times dv over dx. It is important to get it in the correct order.